Introducing the AI Fatigue Detection DVR. 3-channel dash camera next level in this 3-channel dash camera front, behind, and even inside your vehicle. All 3 cameras capture full HD, 1080p footage with excellent nighttime clarity, ensuring high-quality playback. And with its front camera's 150-degree wide-angle lens, all images on the road are easily captured within the frame. All 3 cameras will begin recording as soon as you start your vehicle. Loop recording ensures you'll never run out of memory, with the latest recording overriding the oldest files, featuring an innovative in-cab and driver monitoring system. Audible safety alerts keep drivers aware of fatigue and distractions. A built-in supercapacitor ensures absolute working reliability in extreme weather conditions, from as low as -10 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. And with the integrated GPS logger, both your speed and location data are embedded into the video file for later review. An integrated 3D sensor will also automatically save your footage when the sensor is triggered by an incident and prevents it from being overwritten. Navigating the dashcam menu and viewing playback is made easy too. High-quality 2-inch IPS color screen, and its discreet design also enables the dash camera to be installed neatly without interfering with driving vision. Wi-Fi connectivity enables easy wireless connection from the dash camera to your smartphone. From the app, you can view live footage, review recorded footage, and change settings. Dash camera footage provides essential eyewitness evidence in determining liability in insurance claims and other driving disputes like hit-and-run incidents, car theft, or malicious damage. With so much that can happen on the road, dash cameras are the must-have accessory for total peace of mind driving. The AI Fatigue Detection DVR 3-channel dash camera is exclusively available